Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to create a Trend Micro Endpoint security instance and deploy the security agent. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a complete best practice security policy based on Trend Micro recommendation to maximize protection against malware, ransomware, exploits, and zero-day threats. Step 1. Create a new security policy. Navigate to the endpoint security. Click on Standard Endpoint Protection. Click on Policy tab. Under Policy tab, there are Policy Management. Click on Policy Management. Ensure that in product, there are selecting Apex One Security Agent. After that, select on Create. Provide a policy name such as EPS Security, Endpoint Security. Click Set Filter or Filter by Criteria and select target group or endpoint where you want to apply the policy. Set filter, directories, expand standard endpoint protection manager, local folder, Apex One as a service, Windows. I'm selecting workgroup. Workgroup, it is a default group and click on save. Step 2, configure second scan method. Under anti-malware scan, general setting, select smart scan as the scan method. Step 3, configure real-time scan. Enable virus malware scan and enable spyware grabber scan. Set file all scannable files. File to scan. Enable scan the boot sector of the USB storage device after plugging. Scan all file in removable storage device after plugging. Enable it. Quarantine malware variant detected in memory. Also enable this. Scan compressed file. Only object already enabled. Finally enable IntelliTrap and enable CB exploit scanning for file download through web and email channel. Under action, select customize action for probable virus malware. The action is quarantine. Scroll down and enable damage cleanup service. Step 4, configure schedule scan. Click on schedule scan. Enable virus malware scan and enable spyware grabber scan. Enable weekly schedule. Select weekly and click on Saturday at 12 p.m. noon. File to scan, select all scannable files. Also select resume and interrupted schedule scan on same time next day. Finally, select CPU utilization medium. Same set action, use active action, customize action for probable virus malware. Advanced cleanup, run cleanup when probable virus malware is detected. After that, next step, manual scan. Same as we have configure real-time and schedule scan. Select all scannable files. Select scan OLE object and compress file. CPU uses medium. Under action, click customize action for probable virus and malware. Under damage cleanup service, select advanced cleanup and run cleanup when probable virus and malware is detected. Now configure scan now. Same enable virus malware scan and enable spyware scan. And file to scan all scannable file. Click on scan setting, scan OLE object and compress files. CPU utilization medium. Under scan tab, use active action. Customize action for probable virus and malware. Under damage cleanup service, click advanced cleanup and run cleanup when probable virus malware is detected. Now enable behavior monitoring. Under advanced threat protection, click on behavior monitoring. Enable behavior monitoring. Malware behavior blocking, click on ransomware protection. Protect document against unauthorized encryption or modification. Block process commonly associated with ransomware. Select anti-exploit protection to terminate program that exhibit abnormal behavior associated with exploit attack. And finally, click on event monitoring and specified detail setting. Here you can select action as a deny for duplicate system files, host file modification, deny suspicious behavior monitoring, deny new Internet and Explorer plugin, deny Internet Explorer setting modification, deny. So here I am selecting all action as deny for event monitoring. Accept new startup program. This setting helps stop ransomware, exploit, and suspicious behavior before damage occurs. Now enable predictive machine learning. Configure file detection action quarantine and process terminate. This helps detect unknown and zero-day threats. Configure web reputation. Enable web reputation. Already enable. And select security level as a high. Also enable block pages containing malicious script. Here you can manually add any website to approve list or block list. If you select approve list, it allow that website or URL. If you select block, then that URL block for this policy. Configure suspicious connection. Detect connection to CNC server, malware network fingerprint, clean suspicious connection. Detect connecting using malware network fingerprints. Yeah, action to take action is block. Select also clean suspicious connection when CNC callback is detected. Configure vulnerability protection. Enable vulnerability protection and select as profile recommended. Now configure device control. Enable it. Click on all users under rules. Select block the auto run function on a USB storage device. Configure USB access permission according to your organization requirement, like USB storage drive full access, modify, read and execute, read or list device content, or either completely block. Configure application control. Enable it. And create allow and block rules based on your organization approved software list. Okay. This helps prevent unauthorized application from executing. Now configure unload and uninstallation protection. Scroll down to agent configuration and privilege and other settings. Under unload and unlock, select require password. Under unlock, require password. And here you can select password. Next, under uninstallation, select require password. And enter and confirm a strong password for agent removal. This prevents users or attacker from disabling or uninstalling endpoint protection. Now finally, save and deploy policy. Review all configured setting and click save, then deploy. Wait for the policy to be applied to all target endpoint. So that's it. We have successfully configured a Trend Micro Apex One best practice security policy with smart scan, real-time protection, behavior monitoring, ransomware protection, predictive machine learning, web reputation, device control, application control, and agent self-protection. This configuration provides multiple layers of defense against malware, ransomware, exploit, and advanced threats. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Trend Micro and cybersecurity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.